Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we're on a mission to get stuff out of the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. Metal stuff. We love to recycle metal stuff, and we're starting out with some ubiquitous wire shelving. Got a few things from the shark cage that we need to get rid of, so they just got tucked in here at the end yesterday, ready for today. Look at that, some nice little pieces, two pieces, little shorties. There you go. There's how they fit in the truck, for those of you that know the game. By the way, if you're new to the channel, what we do is you all guess what is the total length of ubiquitous wire shelving. So the game that we play is that you all guess the total length of ubiquitous wire shelving that I pick up during the street scrap. I measure it. This is a pretty nice way to get things started. Water heater. I don't know how much of this metal we can get, depends upon how much it's been taken apart. This is a relatively large water heater too. Get to do the water heater dance. Batter up. So, for you new scrappers, that's going to be dirty brass because it has ferrous metal inside of it with the spring and stuff. You can always cut these and open them up and turn it into clean brass. There's plenty of videos out there on how to do that. Get a little more leverage here. There we go. That's all it needed. Boy, these guys are kind of tight. And that's going to be clean brass because it's that plastic I can bust off of there easy enough, but there's no ferrous metal in that. There we go. And then we have the drain valve. There we go. All right. Now, if you really want to get into this, there's going to be wire behind these two panels that you can go after. This one didn't give me much to grab onto, did it? Oh yeah. There we go. Now this drain pan is plastic, but these are frequently of metal of some sort, so those are options to take as well. And we have a swing set here. They dismantled some of it, so that's cool. I'm not going to take too... I don't want to take anything that's got... see, like, they didn't get this one taken apart. I suppose I could take the time to get all that stuff off of there. But... and that slide is still attached. So we're going to leave that for now. I know where you all are. I can come back and get you. Normally I would strap this down, but because I have stuff in the back here already, I'm not worried about it rolling and banging and stuff back here. So we can leave that just the way it is. Okay, now I found this, and it got put in here yesterday, but what I'm going to do here, because this is really heavy, there's a big transformer right there, so we're going to put this back here. Take that back to the shark cage. Now these razor scooters, we've scrapped these in the past. There's a battery down there that you can go after if you want to spend the time doing it. The scrapyard is so close to where we are right now that I usually don't do that anymore these days. I usually just drop them off for shred. I've got room for a dryer or a washer. Let's hope we find one quickly before I fill that room up. grill is about to fall over. Regulators are good for breakage, irony aluminum, depending upon where you're from, what they call it. Alrighty then, if that's the way you're going to be about it. Not quite sure what's going on here, but now this wood cannot go in the recycle, so we're going to set that there. The bulk guys will pick that up when they come by. You guys go down there. More ubiquitous wire shelving. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Oh, and these are long ones too. Let's see now. I think maybe we'll go on the other side. Yeah. Hey y'all, we loaded up pretty quick, so we're gonna get over to the scrapyard, get it unloaded, and get back to this neighborhood and see what else we can find. What up, man? How's it going?
Everybody's coming now.
Did you guys have yesterday off? Yeah, cool. Yeah, yeah.
Dude, we've had some big loads.
Yeah.
It's having a good size loads, trailer loads.
Yeah.
It seems like everybody's got a hangover.
Okay, so I sped that part up a little bit. You know, this turned out to be pretty good given the fact that it was done really quick. I got plenty of time to get back for more 460 pounds. And the yard's paying a little bit more, 8.35 cents a pound. So that's pretty cool. $38.41. And my coffee hasn't even gotten half empty yet. So I'm going to swing by the office and then hayaka over to that neighborhood to finish up. If you can't wait to see more of these videos, the links here are going to take you to lots more shark scrapping content. And the round one in the middle is to help you subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. We'll see y'all on the next one.